Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Brandon Botto here, and today we are going to be working on the FRS. But before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let me know down below that you guys hit subscribe, and I'll get you guys a free cookie. So anyways, what we're going to be doing on the FRS today is pretty much, this happens on a lot of Toyotas, Lexuses, Subarus, and all kinds of other makes and models. And pretty much what it is your turn signal acts as if the turn signal is out, even though all the bulbs work properly. And you guys are probably here because you're annoyed with people telling that you have a turn signal out when you really don't. So the easiest fix for this is with a relay. The car basically has a relay built into it that needs to hit a certain parameter, which is usually a certain resistance. And if the resistance is too low, it doesn't work properly and thinks that there's a bulb out. What can cause this is usually an actual bulb out, a bulb missing, or some other type of LED or bulb that replaced the original bulb. In my case, it's because I put these LED strip lights on the front to replace the stock location, because my bumper does not support the stock location for the turn signals. So the way that we're gonna fix this is with this relay right here. It's only $8 on Amazon, and there's another version of it where you're able to adjust the resistance if you want to adjust the speed of which the lights work. I'll leave links to both of them down below. It gives me a little bit of a kickback, saves you guys time, and costs you guys nothing more than it would if you looked it up anyway. I would really appreciate if you guys use that link. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It's a very simple install, and it shouldn't take very long. All right, so we're underneath the car right now, and you can actually see the relay from right in here. It's very hard for you guys to see it, but it's that black piece right there. And if you go underneath the car, you can see it even better. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm trying to point at it with my finger there, but pretty much we're just gonna pull that out and replace it with the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So as you guys can see, when I was pulling mine out, this actually pulled right out of its housing, and it looks like this was broken before I even touched it. So that could very easily be the reason why I was having issues with mine. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this plastic piece off here, transfer it over to the other one, and then go ahead and reinstall it. Now we have the plastic clip on the new relay, so we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the relay, same way that we pulled it out. Literally just unplug it, or plug it back in, and then pop this clip back into its normal place. And as you guys can see, it's put back in there and it's plugged back in. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out and see if it actually worked. And now for the moment of truth, we're gonna see if this actually fixed the issue. It only took about a few minutes, so let's hope that it actually did. And if we go ahead and hit the turn signal there, as you guys can see, it works properly now. It doesn't blink too fast, and it blinks the correct speed. So all of them work. All of them are blinking the correct speed. I'll put a before and after here so you guys can actually see the difference in speed. And that's all for this video, you guys. So I hope this helped out. If you guys, like I said, everything's linked down below. Go ahead and use those links if you guys want. And if you guys want the sick t-shirt with the FRS, go ahead and go to obkco.com, and we have all these shirts coming in July 1st. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, maybe, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker, grip the mic and heat flow. I just wanna spread love, they want me to bleed slow. I just wanna keep the peace.